Hey guys, it's Seth Bryan. I'm coming at you with another video. Just want to show you another really good trade setup here. I'm still using the same strategy with the trend lines and the zigzag with the Heikin-Ashi, the CCI, and the RSI. I took 30-minute expiries on all these orders here. They're all about to expire here pretty quick, so hopefully we can see if they're going to continue to be in our favor by the time they do expire. Here we are. Also, yeah, I forgot to mention I do use a little Fibonacci. I saw it hit up here at this level here. I saw it as some resistance, and it bounced off. I threw some orders in, and it took off downwards. But like I said, I put the 30-minute expiry in. That way, it give it some time, and also it broke the previous trend line over here. So I'm going to go back over to the UK Brent oil. Here we are. Looks like these are going to expire pretty quickly here in 2 minutes. Sit back and watch to see what happens. Excuse me. Check on the silver. Looking pretty good here. Looking good.
What's that noise?
Not sure, buddy.
What's that noise?
All right, we got 40 seconds over here on the silver. This might be a good buying opportunity. As you can see, all these people are going short. Five, four, three, two, one. Boom.
That's what I'm doing.
Still have some more ready to expire. All right, 30 seconds.
Can't do it. I can't do it.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And of course, my wife comes home, but the moment I win, haven't been buried.